Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I did a Abercrombie haul recently, but I still had like 3 more items that were like on the way from my Black Friday orders, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. So we have a light colored skirt and a black top and this turtleneck. So here is how the whole outfit looks together. I really like the look of the top and the skirt, but the skirt is too small, so yeah, I have to exchange it for a small. I don't know why I got an extra small. Sometimes like the extra small fits better, because like especially on their suede skirts, like they have a little bit of stretch, so I go for the extra small. But this one I was wrong, so I'm gonna exchange this one for a small size, but the quality is really good and it looks really good together. So yeah, so I'm really disappointed that I have to exchange it. It's just extra work, but I do love the style. It's really cool, and I'm gonna keep the whole thing, but go for a larger skirt. I think it would look good with some other skirts that I have, like this one. Or even this one. So next I have this turtleneck. So I really wanted this with the skirt that they showed on the website, but I don't know why they haven't released it yet. But this one was on sale, so I bought this for now, and hopefully I can catch the skirt on sale. But yeah, with the stuff that I already have, I don't know if it's that good, but like with the skirt that they're going to bring, it's like really pretty. Don't know if the color is good, especially like I feel like I look like somebody from a cartoon. Yeah, but let me know if you think it works with the skirt too. And this is how it looks with my suede skirt. I think this is more easily wearable. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'm gonna go make some cookies, and yeah, I'm gonna also return or exchange like the white skirt. And I also have a bunch of stuff from Zara that I got on Black Friday, and I still haven't showed it to you guys, so it's coming up. And also, if you really want me to make something, like some video about like something that is useful to you, please don't forget to comment. And yeah. Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Come on, it's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Snow is falling and rains are falling. واقعا این نمیدونم چطور